What's up guys, Corey here once again with another video from GNCRC. And today's video is sponsored by none other than CNHL. The purpose of today's video is to show you guys what batteries fit in your Arrma Groms. Whether that's the Granite Grom, the Typhon Grom, or the Mojave Grom. CNHL has you covered. Before we get too deep in this video, guys, if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me and hit that notification bell. That way you guys will know when we're dropping a new video. And go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. You're going to want to stay tuned because we got about 7 batteries that we're going to give away. 3 are going to fit like 10 scale vehicles, and then the other 4 are going to fit something like the Grom series or some of your smaller scale cars. I'm going to pin a comment below with the link to CNHL's website, and I'll also leave a link in the description below. Click that to check out some of their batteries for any of your battery needs, you know, whether that's a 5th scale, 8th scale, 10th scale, you know, whatever scale. And if you use my link, you'll get an additional 5% off as well. All right, so we're going to start off with the Granite Grom. One of my favorite batteries so far by them is the 1300 Black Series 2S battery. This is a 100C battery, very powerful. Now, I actually changed the ends on this. I normally run EC3s on batteries about this size. If I'm not mistaken, they have a couple different ways you can get it with different connectors, but this is what I use. This particular one fits really, really well inside there. I've seen some people use this size battery and they put the ESC up front. I didn't have that problem. I had plenty of space for my ESC, but that is the 1300. As a bunch of you guys know, this is the shortest chassis, so you're limited to what batteries you can actually use here. And keep in mind, I'm just showing you the batteries that I use. Another one of the batteries I really like is going to be this one. And again, it's from the Black Series. This is going to be a 2000 milliamp, and it's a 100C as well. This is the 3S. So this one's going to give you quite a bit more runtime. This is a comparison of the 1300 versus the 2000. Of course, it's a little bit taller. We got an extra cell in here. And again, I did change the connector front. So it just fits right in there, and I'm able to strap this thing down just like the other battery. And there it is strapped down. I tend to run mine forward because of all this power. It tends to pull that front end up like crazy, so I want more weight up front. That's the 2000 pack, and it is strapped in, ready to go. Next up, once again from the Black line, this is a 2000 milliamp, and this is a 4S. 100C, of course, just like the other ones. Now, here's the thing. These are what I run. I'm not telling you to run these. You know, out of the box, that thing only runs a 2S battery. My particular rig is set up to run 4S. I'll post an older video above where I'm running 4S. So once again, I'm gonna run this one a little bit forward as I can get it. Yeah, it's a whole lot more weight on there, but a whole lot of power. And this is only for me if I'm doing speed runs. I'm not really running this thing like this. I can run it like this. I've run it like this, but it's almost pointless, but I like to overpower things. It's just what I do. This is GNCRC way. I know you guys are probably saying, will the body even go on there? Okay, hold on, I'll show you. Just like that, it's on. And it's secure, it's not going anywhere. Pop it back off. There you have it. So next up is my Typhon Grom. And I got all the stuff, but I just hadn't put it in there. I had it for months, so excuse the way it looks in the inside. I was in the process of getting everything wired up, but just ran out of time. As a bunch of you guys know, it comes with a 1400 milliamp battery. This is my go-to for just everyday messing around. 2S. This is a 1300, so it's gonna be a little bit less runtime. Let me just show you how easy this one fits in. We're not gonna strap it down. I just wanna show you all the space that you have once it's in there. And of course I run these forward. So I got a ton of space back here. I hadn't tried this particular one. This is a 2000 pack. But let's just see if this will fit. So it's plenty of space. Let's see if the body goes on. So it fits perfect, no problem. Body's on. But now on this particular one, with this particular battery, you have to run that battery pushed all the way back so to clear that body. I'm gonna show you guys an option that's gonna be a whole lot better than what I just showed you in 3S. This is a 2200 milliamp battery, and this is gonna be a 70C. So you're not gonna get the burst that you would get in the 100C, but that's quite a bit, 70C. So let's fit that one in there. Now that is a perfect fit, like a glove. You don't have to move it, it just goes right in. That's gonna give you quite a bit of runtime. Remember, your stock battery is 1400 milliamps, and this is 2200 milliamps. And it's gonna give you plenty of burst. So make sure you guys check that one out for your Typhon. Now you're probably asking, will a 4S fit in here? Yes, it probably will, but the battery configurations that I have, not so much. And also, this particular one is only set up to run 3S. And now we are at the Mojave Grom. Let's show you what we have for this particular one. And as you notice, this is still stock. I only had one run on this one, the one video that you guys saw. On my Typhon, one run. And on my Granite, maybe 2 or 3 runs. I kind of build these things. I like looking at them, put them on the shelf. But I got so many projects going on, plus I've been racing mini Z's. That's why I hadn't gotten into this. But make sure you stay tuned because I'm in the process of ordering the FuryTech system for this particular one. We're going to try the FuryTech system out for this one. I forgot the name of it, but we will be ordering that particular system for this one. Tried to order today with something going on with the checkout, but I did talk to the guy that's over FuryTech, and he's going to get back with me soon. You notice you have a whole lot more space in here. You even got a piece of foam that you can remove. But of course, this particular one, 1300, no problem. It's about 100 milliamps short of the 1400 that it comes with. Now, if I'm not mistaken, they had a 1500 as well, but it wasn't in stock. So don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they did. So this configuration, I don't know if it'll fit. This will be my first time trying it. The reason why it probably won't fit is because of the support and the way this thing is built out, which is really great. But let's just try it. Let's see if that body goes on with that battery. I think it will, but that's just a little bit too much. So I'm gonna show you the best 3S option that I have for this particular one. We're gonna go back with the 2200. This is a 3S, and of course it fits no problem with plenty of space. This will probably be my go-to on this particular build. I'm gonna be running this one on 2S and 3S because that system is a 3S capable system, but mainly on 2S for the most part. There you have it, guys. Those are the batteries that I use for my Arrma Grom series cars. Build video coming on this one pretty soon. Just hadn't had time to finish it up. Big shout out to CNHL. Thank you guys once again. Once again, if you hadn't hit that sub button, make sure you do so. Hit that like button and comment. I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. Till next time, this is GNCRC.